Do you know hundreds of English words?
But when someone speaks to you, you still don't know what to say?
Today, we're going to change that.
Spend one full day with us.
From the moment we wake up.
Until we say good night.
You'll learn over 100 English sentences that people really use every day.
No memorizing.
No grammar lessons.
Just real conversations that you can start using today.
Let's begin.
Good morning, Jay.
Morning, Anna.
How did you sleep?
I slept really well. What about you?
Honestly, I didn't sleep very well.
Oh no. What happened?
I stayed up too late watching videos.
Just one more video?
That's what I told myself.
We've all been there.
I'm still a little sleepy.
Me too. I need coffee before I can think.
Coffee first. Everything else later.
Exactly.
Are you hungry?
Very hungry. What's for breakfast?
Eggs, toast, and fresh fruit.
That sounds perfect.
The coffee is almost ready.
Great. I can already smell it.
Here you go.
Thanks. This is exactly what I needed.
Slow down. It's still hot.
You're right. Wait, what time is it?
It's 8:20.
Seriously?
Yes.
I'm running late.
Relax. You still have time.
Not much time.
Then you better get ready.
Good idea. Have you seen my phone?
It's on the kitchen table.
Thanks. Now where are my keys?
Check your backpack.
They're not there.
Look in your jacket pocket.
There they are.
I knew it.
You always save the day.
Someone has to.
I just need my bag now.
It's by the front door.
Perfect.
Don't forget your lunch.
I almost forgot again.
That's why I'm here.
What would I do without you?
Probably leave the house without your phone, your keys, and your lunch.
You're probably right.
Have a great day at work.
Thanks. You have a great day too.
See you this evening.
See you later. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Let's continue our day. Good morning, Jay.
Morning, Anna.
You made it just in time.
Barely. The traffic was terrible this morning.
At least you're here now.
That's true.
How are you feeling?
Much better after my coffee.
Coffee really is magical.
I couldn't agree more.
Ready to start?
Absolutely.
Can you help me with something?
Of course. What's up?
I'm working on this report, but one part doesn't make sense.
Let's take a look.
Could you explain this section?
Sure. I think the numbers were updated yesterday.
Oh, that explains it.
Sometimes the smallest details make the biggest difference.
That's very true.
Do you have any other questions?
Just one. Can you say that again a little more slowly?
No problem. Take your time. There's no rush.
Thanks. I appreciate that.
We're a team.
Exactly.
I think we're almost finished.
Great job.
You did most of the work.
Nice try.
Okay, maybe we both did.
That's more like it.
How about a coffee break?
I was hoping you'd say that.
Coffee again?
It's called staying productive.
Is that what we're calling it now?
Absolutely.
So, how's everything going outside of work?
Pretty good. I've been trying to exercise more.
That's great.
What about you?
I'm trying to spend less time on my phone.
That's a difficult goal.
Tell me about it.
One step at a time.
Exactly.
Well, we'd better get back to work.
Let's finish strong.
See you after the meeting.
See you later.
Our day isn't over yet. Next, let's head into town.
Work is finally over.
That went by quickly.
I'm glad it's time to relax.
Me too. I need to buy a few things first.
Let's stop by the shopping mall.
Good idea.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a new jacket.
There are a lot of nice ones here.
Excuse me. Could you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
Do you have this in a medium?
Let me check for you.
Thank you.
Here you are.
Perfect. Can I try it on?
The fitting rooms are over there.
I'll be right back.
How does it fit?
I think it fits really well.
It looks great on you.
Really?
Absolutely.
I'll take it.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Can I pay by card?
Of course.
Shopping always makes me hungry.
Funny. I was just thinking the same thing.
How about dinner?
Let's go to that little Italian restaurant.
Good choice.
A table for two, please.
Right this way.
Can I see the menu?
Here you go.
Everything looks delicious.
I can never decide.
You say that every time.
Because it's true.
What are you going to order?
I think I'll have the pasta.
I'll have the grilled chicken.
And 2 glasses of water, please.
This food smells amazing.
It tastes even better.
You were right.
I usually am.
Don't get too confident.
Too late.
Excuse me. Could we get the bill, please?
Can we split the bill?
Sure. That's fair.
Hey, isn't that Sam over there?
Sam.
It's so nice to see you.
It's been such a long time.
How have you been?
I've been really busy lately.
Same here.
How's your new job going?
I'm enjoying it a lot.
I'm happy to hear that.
Thanks. What about you?
Things are going well.
We should meet more often.
Definitely.
Let's not wait another year.
Deal.
Well, we'd better get going.
It was great seeing you.
Take care.
See you soon.
Our day isn't over yet.
Let's head home and relax. I'm finally home.
Welcome back.
It's been a long day.
It really has.
Would you like a cup of tea?
That sounds perfect.
I'll put the kettle on.
Thanks.
So, what was the best part of your day?
Honestly, meeting Sam was nice.
I agree. It's always good to catch up with friends.
What about you?
I enjoyed dinner the most.
I had a feeling you'd say that.
Good food makes every day better.
I can't argue with that.
Here's your tea.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's nice to slow down after a busy day.
Sometimes we all need a quiet moment.
Absolutely.
Tomorrow will be another busy day.
But we'll be ready for it.
One day at a time.
Before we finish, let's think about what happened today.
We woke up together.
We had breakfast.
We went to work.
We solved problems.
We went shopping.
We enjoyed dinner.
We met a friend.
And now we're ending the day at home.
Did you notice something?
You didn't memorize a list of English sentences.
You experienced one complete day in English.
That's why these sentences are much easier to remember.
Because every sentence had a real situation.
Now it's your turn.
Think about today's lesson.
Choose 5 sentences that felt useful to you.
Pause the video if you need more time.
Say those 5 sentences out loud.
Don't worry about being perfect.
Just keep speaking.
Then tell us in the comments.
Which sentence was your favorite?
We'd love to read your answers.
Remember,
Fluent English isn't built in one day.
it's built one conversation at a time,
One sentence at a time.
and one day at a time.
Thank you for spending the day with us.
Keep practicing,
Keep speaking.
and we'll see you in the next episode.
Until then.
Take care.
Bye, everyone.